All right, what's good, y'all? King times two here. I am out of commission still. I don't everybody. King times two here. Just want to hop on here and do this unboxing. You guys gotta bear with me. I caught the flu the other day and I just been down bad lately, so I'm still trying to bounce back from that. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and do this unboxing because I've been talking about these on my social media for a few weeks now, and they finally arrived. You guys will probably already know what it is by the caption in the video. So I think actually I'm gonna do this other package first, and then yeah, we'll get into the other one. So first off, we have a package from Supreme. But yeah, I ended up in this package. I bought something for myself, and then I also bought something for Little King, which I know he'll be super excited about. But yeah, I don't know if he's gonna be able to fit them, but I got some Hanes draws for myself, the new color. And then also I got him a size small, which I believe he might be able to fit. They might still be a little big on him, but I know when he see this, he ain't gonna be through the roof. But yeah, that's pretty much it for that one. Yeah, like I said, I got the Supreme Hanes, and then I ended up catching this North Face tee, which, man, oh man, I don't know how it happened, but it happened, and I'm stoked. Like, I've been wearing a lot of North Face tees lately, and like, I don't know, I really like North Face. I'm a little bummed by the back, by the front. It's just all plain. You wouldn't even know nothing. Or what brand it is or anything like that. But boom, yeah, that's gonna be fire. Oh my God, just wait till you see. So yeah, that's item or package one. Let's get into the second package. Super pumped about this. Oh my God, like I said, I ordered this 3 weeks ago, probably a little bit over 3 weeks. I don't know, you can do the math on the days or whatever. February 17th is the release date of these. And I'm just now getting them. And it was crazy because somewhere in there, King told me, he said, Dad, they're probably going to show up on your birthday. And I'm like, they better show up before my birthday because I ordered them 3 weeks ago. It shouldn't take that long. It was crazy. StockX only gives you 2 days. StockX only gives you 2 business days to ship out your shoes. So there's no reason why it should have took 3 weeks. Because let that have been me. There's been times where I missed those 2 day business, or two business day deadline, and they canceled the order on me. So I don't know. Apparently the guy, he ended up requesting more time or whatever. So, but cool. Enough about that, man. I'm just super happy. They arrived on my birthday. The only pair that I've seen is King's size. Other than that, I haven't seen an adult pair in person. Oh man. And I promise you, I went back and forth about this many times. I was gonna cancel the order. I was gonna try to finesse them and call the bank, but I don't know. My ethics kicked in. I know y'all have seen them 1,000 times by now, but oh my gosh, I am so happy to have my pair. And they look good. I was worried about that too. You know, people always say StockX might be sending out fakes, and you know, I've been using StockX for quite some time now, and I haven't came across that. Right away, I noticed that the little hang tag is missing. It's an empty hang tag there, which is not a big deal at all, because I'd probably take them off when I wear them anyways. Oh, actually, look, there it is there. Hey, now do I take the hang tag off or what? Got the hang tag. Do I leave it off or should I put it on? But man, oh my gosh. 3 weeks later, I've been going back and forth about this, talking to my friends and my mom, like, man, should I cancel this order? Should I? Then I called many times. I chatted with StockX a few times. And I tried to cancel, and they were like, you can't cancel. So then I'm like, okay, well, bet. I feel like y'all playing me at this point. So I'm going to just contact the bank and let them handle it. But yeah, here it is, man. I'm super pumped. And like I said, oh, that's gonna go so good together. That is gonna be fire. Wait, let me turn it around for you. That is, yeah, that's it. I know it's a little basic outfit, but I mean, I might be the only one that I'd be around with this outfit on. Ooh, excuse me. But yeah, there it is there. Oh my gosh, I finally got my pair. Now I can be like King back here. Like, oh my gosh. I wish he was here with me so we could take the video together. I got his pair here. He wore his a few times. But man, oh man, it's a fire shoe, and I'm glad to have mine. But yeah, I might do it on feet. I probably won't because I don't feel good and I need to get this video posted. But yeah, more videos should be on the way. It is my birthday weekend. I don't think I'm going anywhere, to be honest. I'm probably just gonna be in the bed all day anyways. But I am probably gonna wear these on Monday when I go back to work though. That's if I'm feeling good though. I should be good by Monday. But yeah, pray for your boy. Make sure you say a prayer for me. You know what I mean? I ain't feeling too well still, but you know, we gonna make it past this. You know, this ain't gonna stop me. You know what I mean? First time having the flu, and we making it do what it do. Got the StockX tag. I don't know why people leave these on there, but like, these are not cool to leave on your shoes. Toss that out. I missed, but whatever. So yeah, catch you guys on the next one. Peace.